The software can be connected to a variety of databases to allow for the importing of variable information that changes on your labels. The most common of these is Microsoft Excel. To do this, firstly click on Data at the top of the software and then click All Databases. This will then start the database wizard for you and you can then press Next. The software will then display the kinds of databases it can be connected to, and in this example we're going to choose Microsoft Excel. Then press Next. Now we need to browse to the location on the computer for where the spreadsheet is saved. To do this, click on Browse, then browse around on your computer, and once you've found the spreadsheet, select it and then press Open. Then press Next. The software will then automatically populate any column headers contained in the spreadsheet and make them ready for use inside your labels. Should you wish to remove any of these column headers, simply select it and then press Remove. Once you're happy, then press Next. On the following page, you can then set the amount of label copies per record. We recommend selecting the top option, so fixed number of printed labels, and just ensure that the number 1 appears to the side of this. Pressing Next, you're then given 2 options. Ensure you select the option Do not create any label objects, and again press Next. You're then presented with a preview of the data that the label is connected to, and if you're happy, you can then press Finish. The data just now needs to be entered into your labels. To enter this in as simple text information, if you scroll down to Databases, a little bit further down, you'll then find your column headers. To use these, quite simply click and drag onto your label, where you can then resize and move around as required. To insert the variable information in as a barcode, click the drop down arrow to the side of barcode. Again, find the column header you wish to use, click on the label, and a barcode is then created for you. Once your label design is complete, you're then ready to print, so click on Home and then press Print. You're now presented with a preview of the label outcome and also a preview of the data contained in the spreadsheet. The software will automatically select all the records, but you can untick all of these records and choose specific lines if required, as well as increasing the amounts of labels that the software prints out for you. Once you're happy with your options, you can then click Print.